Hello, everyone. Welcome to another learning time with Blessing. In this video, we are going to be learning to describe the dilemma a diver might face in the sea. In this video, we're going to be learning to describe the dilemma a diver might face in the sea. I bet you might have heard of scuba diving, where people dive deep into the sea with an air tank to help give them oxygen while deep in the sea. So today we're going to be learning to describe the dilemma faced by these scuba divers while in the deep sea. Now, by the end of today's lesson, you should be able to describe the dilemmas they face. You should be able to write down the potential problems and difficulties faced by these divers. And you should also be able to reflect on the dilemma faced by the divers and create possible solutions to help them. You're welcome to learn. What might the word dilemma mean? It's a situation that requires a choice between two actions, neither of which will be a good solution. A dilemma is a situation that requires a choice between two actions, neither of which will be a good solution. Example, imagine you have two candies and you have 3 or 4 friends who really would like to have those candies. What will you do knowing you have only two candies? That is a dilemma. Or you have 2 tickets to a movie and you have 3 friends that would like to go. That is a dilemma. You have to choose who to give, whom not to give, or better still, not giving anyone at all and not hurting their feeling in the process. So that is a dilemma. It's a situation that requires us to choose between two actions, and neither of these actions will actually be a good solution. Now, in today's lesson, we are going to read Miss Trimble's legendary trip. Now, this is a teacher who took a trip with her students under the sea using a submarine. So you're going to read that story, and when you're done reading the story, answer these questions. What dilemma did Miss Trimble and her students face? How did they solve the dilemma? If you were in their shoes, would you have done the same thing they did? Pause the video, read the story, and then answer the questions. When you come back, then you choose between any of these 3 tasks. It says number 1, describe the dilemma faced by divers in the sea, or write down the potential problems and difficulties faced by divers, or reflect on the dilemma faced by divers and create possible solutions to help them. I have attached here a link where you could watch a video that shows you that tells you about some divers. You could see them in the deep sea exploring the deep blue sea. So you would see them facing some challenges with some of the sea animals. Now, after you watch the video, it also gives you a good insight on how to answer these questions here. So choose any one that challenges you and then answer them. The third question says, reflect on the dilemma. That is, think about it. Think about what you have watched. Reflect on the dilemma faced by the divers and create possible solutions to help them. When you are done, please tell me how you felt about today's lesson, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. See you in the next video.